Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many professionals consider the best Reekon Tools Metro. The Reekon M1 Caliber and T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure Bundle. If you've been searching for precision, speed, and convenience in your job site measuring tools, this might just be the ultimate duo you need. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the M1 Caliber. Imagine turning your saw into a digital powerhouse. The M1 Caliber clamps directly onto most saw fences, yes, miter, chop, vertical band saws, and more, and instantly digitizes your workflow. You simply clamp it on, release the arm, input your blade thickness, and you're ready to go. It's that quick. No more pencils. No more manual tape. It outputs precise measurements directly onto a large backlit LCD screen as materials slide underneath its measuring wheel. It's engineered for smooth materials, making it ideal for professionals who work with wood, composites, and pipes. Whether you're framing a house or crafting fine furniture, the M1 is designed to save time and boost accuracy while enhancing safety on the job. Now let's move over to the T1 Tomahawk, a digital tape measure that pushes the boundaries of what we expect from tape-based tools. It's self-calibrating and offers accuracy up to 0.5 millimeters. Yes, that's better than 1/32 of an inch. But it doesn't stop there. The T1 features a built-in green laser guide that projects a fine line across your cutting surface, ensuring perfect alignment every time. And the coolest part? It includes a side-mounted e-paper display that saves up to 500 measurements. These measurements can be viewed, organized, or deleted on the spot. You can even switch between metric and imperial units, or use relative and internal measurement modes. Both tools are designed for rugged job site conditions. The T1 Tomahawk includes a protective holster with a belt clip, a drop-tested and water-resistant body, and a built-in anchor point for a wrist strap, ideal for working at heights. These aren't just smart tools, they're durable tools for real-world conditions. One of the standout features of both the M1 and T1 is their seamless integration with the Reekon Rock Job Site app. This isn't just an add-on, it's a full ecosystem. With the app, you can wirelessly share cut lists, measurements, markups, and annotations with anyone on the team. No more jotting down numbers and losing them. Everything stays synced and centralized. This bundle is more than just two high-tech tools. It's a complete system designed to reduce human error, cut down on wasted time, and improve the overall workflow in construction, woodworking, and renovation projects. So if you're a contractor, carpenter, or craftsman who values accuracy, efficiency, and tech-forward tools, the Reekon M1 Caliber and T1 Tomahawk bundle should absolutely be on your radar. It's not just a smart buy, it's a game-changer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the best tools in the market. See you in the next review.